In this video, we're going to be discussing how to make long-range dives. In this example, we're going to be talking about a penetration to the end of the line on the AJPP 2005 project. In these dives, we were using Gavin Scooter's 33 amps with a maximum burn time of about 120 minutes, so we were using no more than 40-45 minutes scooter time in. So the push dive actually requires 6 stages and 3 scooters to get to the end of the line. To notice that on the diagrams we are representing only a single diver from the team, but we never really dive alone. We actually like to dive in teams of 2 divers and 3 divers maximum, as we strive to limit damage on the cave minding conservation. We try to not dive with more than 3 stages per diver at one time. So the first team was doing a setup dive and it was pushing 2 bottles to the first scooter burn time stop. We call this point the first stage drop, and at this moment, after completion of this dive, the team has been able to place 4 full bottles at 1.5 kilometer penetration. The second setup team is going to place what we call the safety bottle station, and is normally placed in halfway the penetration. This time will be close to Blue Abyss, which is just about 2 kilometer penetration. The third setup is actually going to place a second stage drop at 3 kilometer penetration. So they're going to start on a triple stage double scooter, but they're going to perform a double scooter double stage dive, placing the bottles at the second stage drop at 3 kilometers. Okay, everything is ready for the push dive. So the team divers that are going to perform the push dive are going to do a triple scooter 6-stage dive. But they're going to start the dive only with 2 stages and 2 scooters, making them a lot less loaded, which at the end is going to create a more efficient and faster penetration to the end of the line. On their way back, the push diver team is going to be leaving some of these 6-stage bottles empty along the way, and other teams are going to have to perform different dives to go retrieve them in what we call cleanup dives. In a cleanup dive, basically the diver starts with loaded scooters and just a single stage, and comes back fully loaded with a lot of empty bottles.